Hello and welcome back to IAmMe, where today we're going to be looking at the written addition method. If you haven't got the worksheet, you can find it in the description below. For everybody else who is possibly here against their will, I will speed through with your learning. There's actually only one thing that you've got to learn for the written addition method, and that's how to lay it out. And once you've done that, you can answer any question no matter how big the addition. It's pretty simple.
Simples.
For this question, 435 add 112, I need to know how big my numbers are. I know from my previous lessons that both of these numbers are in the hundreds column. To help me with the layout, I can grab my place value columns, so here they are, hundreds, tens, ones. Once I have these down, I can put both numbers into my method, one on top of the other, making sure I line them up correct in the place value columns. 435 first, followed by 112 beneath. It is an addition, so I can place my addition symbol to the left, followed by a line to represent where my answer will go. First, I will start in the ones column. 5 add 2. The answer is 7. I place this in the ones column beneath the line. Secondly, I will look at the tens column. 3 add 1. Correct, the answer is 4. This will go in the tens column beneath. Finally, the hundreds column. Where do you think we go now? 4 add 1. Yes, the answer is 5. Again, the answer goes beneath in the hundreds column, giving a total answer of 547. Let's take another look. Here are two more questions in a slightly different format. We'll start with 522 and 313. As you can see, both questions again are in the hundreds column. So let's put our place value columns down and place our numbers in the layout that we discussed. We'll start with 522. It has 5 hundreds, 2 tens and 2 ones. 313, 300, 110 and 3 ones. We'll place our addition symbol to the left and I'll draw a line underneath to represent where our answer will go. So what next? Hopefully you remembered we need to add the digits in the ones column. 2 add 3 and write the answer 5 beneath the line. Moving to the left, we look at the tens column. 2 add 1. Can you work that out? Hopefully you're saying 3. Can you work out the final step to our equation so we can get our answer? Hopefully you're looking at the hundreds column. 5 add 3. And in your head, what is that? 8. Our answer is 835.